The Oppo F15 has a 6.4-inch Full HD Plus display with Corning's Gorilla Glass 5 protection. The display sports an edge-to-edge glass design. The front camera is in the small notch on the front and the back houses a quad camera setup. It has a 48-megapixel primary camera along with an 8-megapixel wide-angle camera, a 2-megapixel depth-sensing camera and a 2-megapixel mono camera. For your selfie needs, the smartphone has a 16-megapixel selfie camera. The camera boasts of 4-in-1 pixel combination technology to deliver better images, especially in low light. The 3 to 8 cm macro lens lets you get up close and personal with your photos. The camera also boasts of EIS to add stability to the videos you record. For security, it has an in-display fingerprint sensor which can unlock the phone in 0.32 seconds. The smartphone is a mere 7.9 mm thin, giving it a sleek form factor. The Oppo F15 runs on Color OS based on Android. For performance, it relies on the MediaTek Helio P70 processor. The smartphone has 8GB RAM and comes with 128GB built-in storage. It has a dedicated slot for storage expansion. The Oppo F15 is a dual nano SIM phone with both SIM slots supporting 4G. The 4000 mAh lithium polymer battery comes with VOOC Flash Charge 3.0 fast charging that can charge the smartphone 50% in 30 minutes. The box includes the handset, VOOC charge power adapter, USB Type-C cable, quick starter guide, case, earphones and SIM tray ejector. The Oppo F15 comes with standard brand warranty. You can avail EMI and exchange options. You can also pay online using your debit or credit card, net banking or other methods. For further information on the product, warranty, payment and delivery options and other offers, visit the product detail page.